One of the other things I wanted to ask you is, do you want to get into who you might be endorsing? There's going to be a special election. Let's talk about that. That is tricky, right? Now,
Oh
the
man,
120 days, you
I
got to
probably
do it?
I probably want to endorse. We're waiting to see if Lauren will run hard. So there's Lauren Taylor who ran before, who narrowly lost to SHEN THAO, who's
She
a
just
sensible
put his
moderate.
his hat in the ring,
Yeah,
right?
well, we call him boring Lauren, but he's a sensible moderate, and we would
Okay.
like some normalcy and boring in Oakland,
That's all
right?
you.
So,
That's what you need right now. You know, 'cause
um,
it's too much
but
drama.
Barbara she's going to win. It doesn't
Barbara
matter.
Lee.
Yeah, it's over.
So okay, she was playing. I was going to
Well,
ask
I
you.
won't
Yeah.
say it's over. He's got to, because of the indictment, the fires, everything's lining up as a perfect opportunity for Lauren to be able to contrast himself. But
Yeah.
he's going to have to take, he can't, no one's going to oppo Barbara. He's going to have to oppo and go directly at her. And
Yeah.
you can't like John Kerry your way
She's an
to the win
icon.
here. Yeah,
Yeah,
you got to go at her.
she's a Bay Area liberal icon, and she's playing it off like she's not going to run. But I think she probably knew this indictment was coming down. It's like, let
No,
me
they knew she knew she was going to run it. She's talked, to her credit, she's talked to. She's not doing what Shing did. She's talked to a lot of people that Shing would not give an audience to, and
True.
she has. The reception has been mostly positive from those people.
Okay.
But
Now,
the meeting is not the work, and people can act however they want in the meeting, and then just give you whatever lip service they need to when it's actually time to show and prove. So absent of some concrete commitment to say, number one, bring Oakland workers back to City Hall. Union workers are still working remote from COVID era work from home policies. We need to end those. She needs to make a firm commitment not to close any fire stations and add more police, invest in more policing. She needs to actually give some clear solutions to the budget that doesn't involve like not telling the unions to take a cut. Because you can't be a puppet for the unions because they're a big part of the equation.
yeah,
And it's going to be a very difficult spot for her. I will say that she is probably the only person who has the gravitas, considering that she is an icon.
she didn't have to really campaign, and she could win.
No, and she can do whatever she wants to do. If she says she wants to do something as a mayor, you're just going to have to, kiss the
Yeah,
ring
kiss the ring.
and
Yeah,
just do it. And so that's an advantage if you look at it that way. If she acts for the right thing. Right now, I'm not positive that she will. Like
Okay.
none of the data lines up. She's been lockstep and key with the progressive movement and agenda pretty much all the way in.
Yeah.
Well, and she
Totally.
will have to. I don't know. I'm not optimistic, but hopefully, because she's probably going to win anyway, I really hope that she leads with some pragmatism and some balance.